I'm probably never gonna get PR from them again after this video. Okay, that's quite a lot of soap in my brush. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, I wish I could have a fan on. I think my face is just gonna get increasingly more red before I put makeup on because it's so sweaty in my room. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today, I thought I would test some Instagram trends, which I have seen quite a lot when I'm scrolling down my Instagram. I follow quite a lot of cool people on there that do makeup and skincare and stuff like that. And a lot of the time you see them doing kind of weird things. And sometimes I kind of see people doing things for Instagram and think, okay, I think they're just doing that for the video. I don't know if it will actually work or benefit you in any way, and if it will actually end up looking nice. Let's be real, half the time people do pretty crazy things on Instagram just to get a decent thumbnail. Well, it's the same on YouTube as well. The one thing I would not be doing in this video is burning random pieces of makeup, because there's so many Instagram videos where people are holding up a flame to something, but then they never actually use it. Like, they never use whatever they've burnt, so that one just confuses me. But I'm going to be trying some trends which I've seen quite a lot, but I've been too scared to try, probably for good reason, and let's see how this goes. So one thing that I'm just going to do before I've done my makeup is do a bit of skincare. And I have seen, well, the reason I bought this is because I saw so many people on Instagram using these. It's this kind of marble roller thing that's got two sides. One side is spiky and the other side is just flat. And I've seen people on Instagram use these to do all sorts of different skincare things. Sometimes they'll dip their face mask into it and then roll it onto their face. Or I've seen quite a few people put on a sheet mask and then just roll over it with this, because apparently it's supposed to make it soak into your skin better. So I thought I would quickly give this one a try. I haven't really used this. I got it on Wish maybe like 4 or 5 months ago. I think it's just supposed to be a massager, but I'm not really sure. It feels so nice though because it's cold. So I have randomly selected out of my collection this one, which is a Aloe Calm Sheet Mask from The Body Shop. And it says that after 15 minutes, sensitive skin feels hydrated, settled and soothed. Soothed? Soothed. Is that a word? I mean, it must be a word if it's written on the packaging. To prepare for this, I'm going to protect my hair with my disgustingly dirty Revolution X Jake Jamie head thingy. Wait, I can't remember how I put this on. How did I do this last time? Do you know what? Let's just do it over the top of my hair. This is probably going to drip on me and I didn't really think of that, but I guess I'll just deal with the consequences. Oh, it smells nice. I've just remembered there's a gif of me wearing a silicone sheet mask and it's the ugliest thing I've ever seen. I'm just asking for trouble here. Why do I look like a baby? Ooh, okay. It feels very soothing and cooling already, but do I do this for the whole 15 minutes? I have no idea. Timer, 15 minutes, let's go. Oh, that actually feels so nice. Because this thing is cold, this would be so good if you put it in the fridge. Oh my days. I think it's supposed to kind of push the skincare benefits into your skin more and give your face a bit of a massage. Basically, I would never have thought to do this, but I saw it on Instagram, so I'm gonna do it. Ooh, it feels really nice around my jawline. It feels like I'm doing a workout. Maybe I should try the pointy side? Ooh, okay, that one's a bit more painful. You can see my skin getting more red underneath, and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, so I just rolled my face for 5 minutes. The timer has got 10 minutes left, so I'll be back. Okay. Fresh. Whoa, my hands feel so warm in comparison to the roller. My skin does kind of feel like it's had a workout. And it does look very glowy, but then a sheet mask would do that anyway. But I do actually think that using the roller, it kind of feels like it's sunk in a little bit more, because my face feels hydrated. Blot the excess off because it's a little bit sticky. Well, if anything, it felt nice. I really need to get rid of the tan around my hairline. The next Instagram trend could potentially ruin my face for a while, so wish me luck. So I saw this girl on Instagram doing faux freckles or fake freckles with the Maybelline tattoo brow dye stuff. This is a temporary brow tint, which basically tints your brows, it kind of dyes your brows. I don't use this anymore because it's too warm for my actual eyebrows and I use a different brow tint. But I still held on to this. It's the shade medium brown. I've been loving fake freckles recently, but I've just been drawing them on over the top of my foundation. But this actually stains your skin. And I did see this one girl on YouTube try and do some fake freckles using henna, and her face went red. And they were so dark, and she had so many and she couldn't get them off. It literally stained her skin so bad. So that could potentially happen to me, but I guess we'll just find out. I wish I had natural freckles. I think they're beautiful. Oh, I'm terrified. Oh my god, that one's really big. This is a terrible idea. The more I'm doing this, the more I'm just thinking it's a really bad idea. So let's keep going. I'm really regretting my decision right now. I'm gonna leave it until it dries, which is probably gonna be like 10 minutes maybe. And now we wait. It's been 10 minutes and it is the moment of truth. In the video, she uses a little spoolie to just scrape off these bits. Oh, please don't say this has stained my face too badly. Ow. Ow, it really hurts. Okay, right. So far it doesn't look too bad. My face is gonna be red. Some of them have gone quite a bit darker than others, but you know what? I really don't think it looks too bad. Mine is the redness on my face right now, but check this out. It actually doesn't look too fake. I think it looks all right. I would do that again. It will be interesting to see how long they actually last and if you can see them through my makeup. Right, the next Instagram trend that I've seen so many people do, but I have stayed well away from because my skin is oily. I haven't actually said that in a video in a good while. This is the Oops. This is the trend of putting highlighter, liquid highlighter, all over your face before doing your foundation. So they basically just look like Tin Man in the thumbnail, and then they put their foundation over the top. But the thing is, most of the time they put liquid highlighter all over their face and then use the fullest coverage foundation, so you can't actually see any of the glow coming through. So I'm gonna use a slightly sheerer coverage foundation, which is the Flormar HD Invisible Cover Foundation. And for my liquid highlighter, I'm using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Glow Highlighter in Free. And this is quite a drippy one, so I thought it would be quite good for this video. Instagrammers love a good drip. Oh my god. Ow, okay, my face kind of stings. Thinking maybe I put a bit too much on. My skin has taken some damage today. Let's try it on the lips as well, why not? I just don't see how my makeup will last over the top of this, because most liquid highlighters are quite oily. I might use a bit of normal primer over the top of it and just see if the glow will still come through. Oh yes, she's still there. Okay, I'm then gonna go in with my foundation. This foundation really smells like soap. I'm going in with my furry sponge, which I love. Oh yep, you can definitely see some of that glow coming through. And hey, you can actually still see the freckles. I don't know how people do this because it just makes me look sweaty if anything. Well, the glow is definitely coming through, and quite a lot of it is on my moustache, making me look like I've got a Sula situation. Okay, I'm just gonna finish off the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna add my concealer and everything, and powder, and pretty much everything apart from my brows and my eyes, because we're gonna be testing something else. My nose is so red though. This will be an interesting test. Let's see if you can still see the glow through a bit of powder. Oh my gosh, you can still see the glitter coming through. It's less of a glow that comes through. It just kind of looks like you've sprinkled glitter onto your face. Normally once Oh, shit. I just dropped my loose powder upside down on my bed and it's gone everywhere. That's Fenty, it's expensive. So you can actually still see the freckles, which I really like. And I think with foundation over it, it kind of looks natural. Right, I'm gonna bronze and blush and highlight and then I will be back. Just a little public service announcement. I just tried 2 new products that I've never used before. This video is not sponsored by Bare Minerals, but I did get a package from them today and I thought I would try the new stuff on camera. This bronzer, which is called the Endless Summer Bronzer in Warmth, is so nice. And also, They've got new highlighters. This is the Endless Glow highlighter in the shade Free. Look at this. It's so nice. That's what I just put on now and I'm obsessed. And then for my blush, where did it go? I used the Benefit California. And then my lip colour is the Maybelline Ink Crayon in 10 Trust Your Gut. Something that I have never actually tried, but I've seen a lot of on Instagram. The classic soap brow. I bought some soap in Poundland the other day. I got a 2-pack of Dove Beauty Cream bars for smooth skin, or maybe smooth eyebrows. So I've got a bar of soap. So that's that one. And then I've also got a product from Iconic London. I'm probably never going to get PR from them again after this video. But they've launched this product which is called Brow Silk. I did get this sent to me very kindly. It's £20, and on the little piece of information that came in it, like the you know, description of what it was, it says soap brow and brush. And in the description it says that it's inspired by the soap brow trend. So they've pretty much, at the end of the day, put some soap into a little container with a mirror. I mean, it does look nice to be fair, but I'm sure it's just some kind of soap. And then they also include a spoolie. So I'm going to try both and try the £20 soap brow actual product versus an actual bar of soap. Take some setting spray or some water or something. I'm just using the Urban Decay D-Slick. And just spray a little bit onto there and then take a spoolie. And you just want to get some wet soap on the spoolie, and then you put it in your eyebrows, and it's supposed to kind of make your eyebrows go really fluffy and stick them down really nicely. Okay, that's quite a lot of soap in my brush. Is this gonna come out white? Yes. This does not feel normal. And how do I know when it's dried? And I mean, it is sticking them into place, but why soap? Why not just brow gel? Oh, you know what? I can feel it drying now. Oh, yeah, it really glues them down, doesn't it? Oh, wow. Okay, now that it's drying, I can kind of see what people mean. It also looks like I've got dandruff in my eyebrows, which is not really what anyone wants. Now we're going to see if the Iconic London one can do a better job. I'm going to get... This is a massive brow spoolie. It does say you can use it wet or dry, but I just have a feeling it will work better when it's wet. This is way too big to use on my brows. I'm guessing it's for using when you don't have your foundation on already, but I always do my foundation and then brows. Oh, fluffy. To be fair, I did get a white soap. I think if I'd have got a clear soap, it would have worked a lot better, but they didn't have any in Poundland. That really is sticking my brows down though. Wow, look at that fluffy eyebrow. Okay, just being real with you guys, the Iconic side has worked better, but then I think if I was to just get clear soap, they feel the same. I'm just gonna go ahead and define them a little bit more with my Benefit brow pencil. Ooh, they feel so gross. That has actually made my eyebrow look really good, I'm not gonna lie. The normal soap one is a bit harder to draw over the top of. Why is it going white when I draw on it? So this is the Iconic soap brow versus the actual soap brow. So I'm gonna do my mascara and then I will be back with my final Instagram trend, which I think could potentially blind me. Right, so the final thing that I'm going to attempt, by the way, if you're wondering, my mascara is, where did it go? The L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic Mascara. I am going to try and stick my eyelashes on underneath my lashes instead of on top. Like, rather than sticking them onto my eyelids, I'm gonna stick them underneath, which is probably a terrible idea, but I have seen loads of people do this on Instagram. It was a big thing maybe like 2 years ago, but I never tried it because I'm not very good at putting lashes on anyway, and I think I might potentially glue my eyes together. But yeah, please don't try this at home if you don't think that it's safe. It's probably not the most safe thing to do, but I'm going to try my best and be quite careful and just see how it turns out. If it completely fails, then I'll just stop and abort mission and we'll just end the video there. But I really wanted to give it a go because if you get it right, it can look really natural. So I'm using a pair of unicorn lashes. Unfortunately, I don't have the name. I wish they put the name on the actual plastic instead of just the cardboard box. But they're pretty natural ones and they are covered in dust and hairs, which is not ideal. And my eyes are super sensitive and very watery, and I'm a contact lens wearer, so if this goes wrong and I get glue on my contacts, I'm not going to be very happy. So I'm taking my eyelash, I'm going to put a tiny bit of glue on it. I'm not going to go overboard in the slightest. I'm using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe. Right, I've put the tiniest bit of glue on there. and I'm just gonna wait for this to go tacky, like really tacky, because I don't want to get glue in my eye. I've got my little lash applicator things that I got in Primark. You guys better give this a thumbs up if I poke my eye out. Even if I don't, please give it a thumbs up anyway for me just trying this. I'm gonna look down into a mirror. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm not that uncomfortable putting stuff near my eyes just because I wear contacts every day, so I'm kind of used to it, but... Oh! Oh, there's glue. There's glue everywhere in my eye. Cool, fantastic. For a second there, I thought I'd absolutely nailed that, but there's glue all over my contact lens and I can't see shit right now. That is a damn shame because it actually worked. Excuse me. How have I managed this? It actually looks so much more natural than when you put it on the top of your lash because there's nothing kind of peeling off. I am amazed that I managed to do that. However, I kind of don't really want to do it on the other eye because I've got so much glue stuck to my contact lens right now that I'm going to have to go change this one. And I don't really want to waste both contact lenses just in case I get it in this one as well. But they look so nice. I wish I knew which lashes these were. I'm really sorry. I'll try and find them on the Unicorn website and figure out which ones they are. I did not expect that to work. I didn't expect me to be able to do that. Wow. Okay, right. I'm going to take it off because I need to change my lenses. I'm just going to wrap up this video quickly and then I'll go change it. So I'm now going to answer a question of the day as I do at the end of all of my videos. If you have any questions for me, leave them down below with the hashtag question of the day. Today's question comes from Alex Hay and she said, do you still use any of the tips that you learned from Beyonce's makeup artist? Yes, actually. Since going to that class, I've never baked my face again. I use less face powder. I still use quite a lot under my eyes, but I don't use as much as I used to because he said that it made you look more wrinkly, which I agree with. I do try, well, I actually forget quite a lot, but I did for quite a long time remove the excess foundation from my smile lines and that really helped. I need to start doing that again. I actually enjoy using cream contour a lot more now. Yeah, there's quite a few things. I can't really remember what the rest of the tips were, but if you guys are interested in that video, it is on my channel. If you type in Soph Does Nails Beyonce, it will probably come up on the search. But yeah, that was definitely one of like the most insightful things I've ever been to. It was just, he was just so good and so educational. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up here. It was actually a lot more successful than I thought it would be. If you guys have any other Instagram trends that you want me to try, let me know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!